Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can clean the engine compartment. It means that's order to fill everything with water. You need to isolate all the electrics, or there will be a short circuit. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Or you can just take a bucket of water and soap. Foam with water and apply foam to all compartment areas. Corpus will with oil, smudge, dirt, stains, and everything that needs to be removed clean. Then we proceed the detail with the special tools. It protects them from dry out, gives the original color, and does not collect dust. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.